Enter a new day with us at Topcast. Our attention will be directed towards when planning a wedding. Many couples face the challenge of balancing their vision for a perfect day with the reality of budget constraints. However, saving on a wedding while still creating a memorable experience is entirely achievable with careful planning and creative choices. In this video, you can guide viewers through the key aspects of cost-effective wedding planning. So, let's get started. Set a realistic budget. Setting a realistic budget is essential to keep your wedding costs in check. Determine your overall spending limit, prioritize key aspects like venue and catering, and allocate funds accordingly. This helps avoid overspending and ensures a stress-free planning process. Prioritize spending. When planning your wedding, prioritize spending on aspects that matter most to you, such as the venue, catering, and photography. Allocate a larger portion of your budget to these key areas and cut back on less important elements to stay within budget. Choose an off-peak date. Choosing an off-peak date for your wedding, such as a weekday or during the off-season, can lead to significant savings. Venues and vendors often offer discounts during these times, allowing you to reduce costs without compromising quality. DIY elements. Incorporating DIY elements into your wedding can save money while adding a personal touch. Create your own decorations, invitations, and favors to infuse your style into the celebration. Handmade centerpieces, photo booths, and guest books can enhance the ambience and make your wedding uniquely memorable for you and your guests. Limit the guest list. Limiting the guest list is a key way to save on wedding costs. By inviting only those closest to you, you can significantly reduce expenses for catering, seating, and favors. A smaller guest list creates a more intimate celebration and allows you to allocate funds elsewhere. Simplify the menu. Simplifying the menu can significantly cut down catering costs. Opt for fewer options, such as offering 1 or 2 main courses instead of a variety. Family-style meals or buffets can be more economical than plated dinners. Serving a signature cocktail instead of a full open bar can also save money. Focus on quality over quantity to create a memorable dining experience for your guests. Negotiate with vendors. Negotiating with vendors can lead to better prices and additional services. Start by researching average rates in your area, then discuss your budget openly and respectfully. Ask about package deals or discounts they can offer. Building a good relationship with your vendors can also result in perks such as free delivery or extended service hours. Always communicate your needs clearly and be prepared to compromise. Reuse and repurpose. Reuse and repurpose items from friends and family who have recently married, such as decor, tableware, or even wedding attire. This sustainable approach not only saves money but also adds a unique, sentimental touch to your wedding day, making it more memorable and personalized. Opt for minimalistic floral arrangements. Opt for minimalistic floral arrangements by choosing in-season flowers and greenery for your wedding decor. Simple yet elegant designs not only save money but also enhance the ambience with a clean, modern aesthetic. Consider using single flowers or greenery for understated beauty. Research wedding packages. Researching wedding packages can save you time and money. Many venues and vendors offer comprehensive packages that bundle services such as catering, photography, and decor. Compare different packages and inquire about what they include, ensuring they align with your vision and budget. Opting for a package can simplify planning and provide cost-effective options. By delving into these points, you will gain valuable insights into planning a beautiful wedding while keeping costs in check. A thoughtful and creative approach can help couples achieve your dream wedding without breaking the bank, making the planning process more enjoyable and less stressful. Thanks for joining. May your day be filled with positivity and success.